بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. We continue the book of Ar-Riqaq. Yes, the book of Ar-Riqaq, the book on the tenderness or tendering the heart or softening the heart, from Sahih Al-Bukhari. Chapter باب قول النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم كن في الدنيا كأنك غريب أو عابر سبيل. Chapter, the saying of the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم, be in this world as if you are a stranger or a traveler. Be in this world as if you are a stranger or a traveler. The hadith under this chapter is the hadith of Abdullah bin Umar. May Allah be pleased with him and his father. He said, أخذ رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بمنكبي أخذ النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم بمنكبي فقال كن في الدنيا كأنك غريب أو عابر سبيل. وكان ابن عمر يقول إذا أمسيت فلا تنتظر الصباح وإذا أصبحت فلا تنتظر المساء وخذ من صحتك لمرضك ومن حياتك لموتك. And this hadith, the hadith of Abdullah bin Umar, he said that the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam took hold of my shoulder and said, be in this world as if you were a stranger or a traveler. And the sub-narrator added, Ibn Umar used to say after this, meaning, if you survive till the evening, don't expect to be alive in the morning. And if you survive till the morning, don't expect to be alive in the evening, and take from your health for your sickness and take from your life for your death. The Prophet ﷺ took hold of the shoulder of Abdullah bin Umar in order to draw his attention for what he was going to say. And his statement, be as if you are a stranger or a traveler. And the difference between the two is that the stranger is the one who is residing in a community which is not his home, and the traveler is the one who passes by a town or community. So therefore the meaning is, don't take this life, the life of this world, as a residence. That is because people are divided into three types: a resident and a traveler and a stranger. So he tells him, be in this life as if you are a stranger or a traveler. A traveler passing by the town, taking something from it and leaving it. So be as a stranger, or as if you are a stranger or a traveler, meaning don't be like a resident, because this is not a home of residence. And that's why Ibn Umar was so much affected by this admonition from the Prophet ﷺ. So he used to say, إذا أمسيت فلا تنتظر الصباح, if you survive till the evening, don't expect to be alive in the morning. And if you survive till the morning, don't expect to be alive in the evening. Meaning, act. And don't say, I will leave the action of the morning to the end of the day, and that of the end of the day till the next morning. Rather, you act. Don't wait, because you don't know whether you will be able to live to the next morning or to the next evening. And take from your health to your sickness. That is because man is not always healthy. He becomes sick, and he will become unable to carry the religious duties upon him, which he used to do while he was sound and healthy. So take from your health to your sickness, or for your sickness, and from your life for your death. Why? Because the period of your death is much longer than your life. Much longer. Even if you reach the age of 150 years. But just think about the people before you who died thousands of years. So your death is much longer than your life. So take from your life for your death. And this is the admonition. This admonition of Ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma, may Allah be pleased with him and his father, is a very beneficial one, which makes the person detached from clinging to this life. There are people who say a statement and attribute it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he said, act for your life as if you will live forever, and act for your hereafter as if you will die. First of all, it's to be pointed that this is not a hadith. This is not a hadith, although it is famous, but this is not a hadith. Second, regarding its meaning, it is contrary to what some people think of its meaning. Why? Because the meaning, act for your life as if you will live forever, meaning don't be so much keen concerning that which you may not be able to finish today. Leave it for tomorrow, and work for your hereafter as if you die tomorrow, meaning don't postpone the actions that are related to the hereafter. Don't postpone them, because as if you will die tomorrow. So today you act. However, treat this life in a relaxed way. So this is the meaning of this statement. It is not, as some people have said, take very well care of the actions for this life and don't mind concerning the actions of the hereafter, because the actions for the hereafter, you don't seek its fruits, and you don't see that except after you die. This is wrong. But the correct meaning is as was mentioned. So take it easy and relax when it comes to this life. But with respect to the hereafter, don't postpone the works that are related to the hereafter, and act as if you will die concerning them, as if you will die tomorrow. This is the meaning of this hadith. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make me and you from those who benefit from it, and who are aware of the meaning of this hadith, and who remember it in their daily lives. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam therefore said, "Kun fi dunya ka'annaka gharib." Be in this life as if you are a stranger or a traveler. And Ibn Umar took admonition from this, and he used to say, إِذَا أَمْسَيْتَ فَلَا تَنْتَظِرِ الصَّبَاحِ. If you survive till the evening, don't expect to be alive in the morning. And this will incite the person to do the righteous deeds. Any opportunity to do a righteous deed, when remembering this hadith and this admonition, will stimulate and incite the person to do and act for the gaining of the righteous deeds. and having this on his scale, inshallah, in the hereafter. وَإِذَا أَصْبَحْتَ فَلَا تَنْتَظِرِ الْمَسَاء. And if you survive till the morning, do not expect to be alive in the evening, and take from your from your health for your sickness, and take from your life for your death. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wa sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.